Okay, that's gonna be so gross. Ew, that looks so. Hi family, today is my Didu birthday. I'm gonna make her a cake. Happy birthday, Didu! I have all the ingredients: black, green, brownies. Here are the ingredients: black beans, dates, coconut oil, cocoa powder, baking powder, and sea salt, and vanilla, and chocolate chips. And eggs. I don't know which one is 350. 350. I have a blender here, and we have to mix all the ingredients together in the blender. First is coconut oil. Okay, flat down. One first, coconut oil. Hard. Next is the black bean.
Pour the whole thing. Good job.
That's a lot of eggs. But how do we put it in there?
You just have to dump it in the thing, honey.
Okay, that's gonna be so gross. Ew. That's vanilla. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1/4 cup of dates. Wow. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Oh, that's a lot. Sea salt. Upside down. And then we have to blend it. I need to move my stool. And next is blending it. Ooh, heavy. We have headphones.
For what?
To cover our ears, so our ears don't have wax in it.
Okay.
Okay, next, how do we make it blend? Go. Scary. Sounds going crazy for me. And it's going away. Yes. Now transfer it to a pan. Oh man, that already smells delicious. I have 1/2 of chocolate chips.
1/2 cup.
Man, I just want to eat this. I will sprinkle 1/4 cup. I can do it.
Minutes.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and turn the bell. And follow my Instagram right over here. Wait, that was the food. That's my Instagram. Follow my Instagram right over here. I love you. See you in the next video. What you can do that? Happy birthday, Summer everywhere. Happy birthday, Summer all around. Happy birthday. Can you hear that sound? Happy birthday, Didu.